Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular browsers on your Motorola Edge X40. So the first one, Opera. In this web browser just click here on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus to add a tab. The next one, Firefox. In this welcome screen just click here in the Zero Mask and now you're in the Incognito mode. If you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to Zero Mask and add a tab. The next one, Adobe Edge. Exactly same like before, click on the tab icon in private and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot icon or arrow icon, switch to a new Incognito tab. And now we are in the Incognito mode and your history, completed forms, cookies, files, even the words on the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.